To other news now, some cybersecurity experts are this evening alarmed by the revelation that the government of Jamaica does not own the Support Jamaica website used to collect donations for victims of Hurricane Melissa. This follows the stunning revelation by the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, and questions about confidentiality and access to the data. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
As at February 2026, about $1.4 billion was collected through the Support Jamaica website to help hurricane victims. When persons make donations, they have to give their names, email addresses, contact numbers, and card information. The website clearly states that it was developed and donated by the Amber Group.
Can you tell me who currently owns that website? The Support Jamaica website. I know it would have been created by a private developer on behalf of the government, but what's the current status of it?
So the private developer still owns the website. The agreement is an SAS, and forgive me if I forgot the meaning of it, but primarily it is they develop the website and then offer us the service. So we have 1 year's free service to the portal.
Do we have a formal agreement with that?
We do have a formal agreement in place. In the initial phases of it, for the rapid development and deployment of the website, yes, there wasn't the necessary agreement in place, but we had subsequently regained on that and caused for an agreement to be signed governing that website and its mechanisms.
When one cybersecurity expert was asked their opinion on the matter, they said, quote, "This is a clear breach of best practice. The website should have been handed over to the government. It is a part of the national infrastructure, collecting money on behalf of the government. From a security perspective, it makes logical sense." End quote. Another cybersecurity expert says they are not aware of the contractual arrangements with the Amber Group and the government, but ideally, government's internal developers could build the application, conduct security testing to ensure privacy and protection of the data, deploy the application to government's private cloud or internal infrastructure, then push to the public space. That way, quote, "all security, all data, all hosting arrangements would be owned and managed by government," end quote. Back at Parliament's Public Accounts Committee, ODPEM's Director General, Commander Alvin Gale, said both the developer and ODPEM would have access to the data as per the privacy statement.
There's a requirement in the data protection agreement concerning once we are concluded using the platform, the modalities around how the information should be scrubbed, and the assurance is given to us that the matters are indeed removed from their access.
Does ODPEM have a process where you would know whether the developer accesses that data at a particular point? Is there a requirement to provide that information to you? How would you enforce that?
In terms of an automatic signal to us that the developer has accessed the information that isn't built into the system.
Commander Gale went on to explain, though, that an authorized officer at ODPEM should be able to audit the website to see who accessed particular information. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.